What is Silent Auth? Silent authentication verifies your identity using your mobile network, completely in the background. When you tap Login, your app silently checks your SIM against your carrier's network in real time. The carrier confirms, yes, this device, this number, right now. Authentication passes instantly. The result? Frictionless login. No phishing risk from intercepted codes. No deliverability failures in weak signal. So how does it compare to what you already know? Every time you log in, you wait. A text arrives, maybe in 2 seconds, maybe in 20. You type 6 digits and hope nothing went wrong. This is SMS OTP, and billions of people depend on it. Silent authentication doesn't replace OTP. It works alongside it. SMS OTP is a proven, trusted verification method. Silent Auth adds a seamless first layer. It checks silently in the background, and if it passes, the user never sees a code. If it can't verify, SMS OTP steps in as the reliable fallback. Together, they give you the best of both worlds. Faster logins, stronger security, less friction for your users. That's Silent Auth by EngageLab. Learn more at EngageLab.com. Silent Auth.